Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the language on DeepSeek. It's super simple, so watch the video till the end to find out. Let's dive right into it. First, open the DeepSeek app on your phone. You will find it on your home screen. Tap on it. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon. You will find it on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it and use your name at the very end right here. Tap on it and scroll down and you will be seeing app language right here. Tap on it. Again tap on language and a list of available languages will pop up. Now scroll down and simply select the language you want to switch to. Once you tap it, the app will automatically update to your chosen language. And that's it, your DeepSeek app is now in a preferred language. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit this like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.